business messages. Adapting to your audience, readers and listeners are more likely to respond positively when they believe messages are about them and their concern. What is in this that is for me? We talk about a few techniques with examples that improve the audience-centered writing approach. Using your viewpoint, speaking and writing in terms of your audience, wishes, hopes, interests, and preferences. Adopt the you attitude by replacing terms such as I, me, mine, we, us with you and yours. Makes the reader the center of attention. I and we messages can often make the writing sound selfish and uninterested in the audience. Second, we are busy the entire week. Only on Tuesday can we promise quick response to purchase order request. You, if you need a quick response, please submit your purchase orders on Tuesday. We make Kodak digital cameras in 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and professional. You can find Kodak digital camera in 3 models: beginner, intermediate, and professional. Maintaining standards of etiquette. Good etiquette indicates your respect for the audience and minimizing any negative emotions that may arise from your chosen word. You may be attempt to be brutally frank now and then. However, try to express facts in a kind and thoughtful way, especially when you are communicating with important stakeholders outside the organization and people who outrank you. Like customer, hi, I tried installing the first call wireless router in my house, but I am not getting any signals from it. Agent, okay, tell me what steps you took and we will see what you did wrong. Customer, what do you mean did wrong? I followed the instruction exactly. Instead of this, we need to write this. Customer, hi, I tried installing the first call wireless router in my house, but I am not getting any signals from it. Agent, I am sorry you are having trouble. Let's go through your setup and see if we can find the problem. Customer, great, thanks. Accentuate the positive. You will need to convey unwanted negative news often in your career. You can communicate the negative news without being negative. Throw caution while using a strong negative word: mistake, problem, regret. Also beware to not hide the negative news. Look for positive points that will foster good relationship with your audience. Negative. We cannot deliver until Friday. It is impossible to repair your laptop today. Smoking is not permitted anywhere except in the lobby. Like positively, we can say that we can deliver the goods on Saturday. Your laptop will be ready by Tuesday. Would you like a replacement in meantime? Smoking is permitted in the lobby only. Using bias-free language. Bias-free language avoid word and phrase that unfairly and unethically categorize or stigmatize people who belong to certain groups. Good communicators take a conscious effort to change biased language. We want to avoid bias based on gender, race, nationality, age, disability, and sexual orientation. Gender bias. Avoid designation, titles, positions that are not referred exclusively to men. Substitute for less offensive gender neutral terms, waiter or waitress. Using word containing men when you can neutralize it, salesman or businessman. Identify women by their martial status, Mrs. Ashikur Rahman. Do not use masculine pronouns irrespective of gender. Omit the pronoun or refer in plural form. We will reimburse any employee who paid his travel expense. Then we will reimburse any employee for their travel expenses. If a customer pays promptly, he is placed on our preferred list. If customers pay promptly, they are placed on our preferred list. A physician should treat his patient with respect. A physician should treat patients with respect. Raise. My lazy Hispanic neighbor does not clean the yard. Crinkly, old man, elderly, or senior citizen. Nationality. My Chinese manager is very hardworking. For disability, deaf, dumb, crippled, retired person with special needs. Sexual orientation, the gay fashion designer will win this year award. Creating a conversational tone. The tone of business message can range from informal, conversational, formal. Instead of writing in an overline formal manner, it is encouraged to use conversational and everyday use word. A language that readers like and understand it easily. Writing can be conversational yet still business-like. কতটুকু পর্যন্ত পড়াইলাম আপনাদেরকে?
Creating a conversational tone.
আচ্ছা দেখেন, the tone of business can range from informal, conversational, formal. Instead of writing in an overline formal manner, it is encouraged to use conversational and everyday use words. A language that readers like and understand it easily. Writing can be conversational yet still business-like. Creating a conversational tone. Avoid stale and pompous language. Cut our outdated phrase that sound awkward and unnatural. These were in fashion about a decade ago. However, writing has modernized and being sincere in your expression is what is important now. Language such as back to state, I humbly request you to have been replaced by modern language. Avoid preaching and bragging. No one wants to listen to a know-it all who likes to preach. Be careful of strong preaching word. Preaching is not always intended. It often occurs when the writer is trying to convince the reader. You must take advantage of sayings like this. Prefer acting over the passive. In acting, সেটা পরে পড়াই, আগে প্রথম থেকে একটু ডিসকাস করে দিই। হ্যাঁ, আজকে চ্যাপ্টারটা হইল কেমনে আপনারা বিজনেস মেসেজগুলো লিখবেন নিজেদের মধ্যে। Adapting your audience using your viewpoint. প্রথমে আপনাদের অডিয়েন্সকে অ্যাডাপ্ট করতে হবে। হ্যাঁ, কেন লেখা আছে রিডার্স এন্ড লিসেনার আর মোর লাইকলি টু রেসপন্ড পজিটিভলি when they believe message are about them and their concern. তাদের যেটা কনসার্ন ওই মোতাবেক যদি রিডার মানে লিসেনারের যেটা কনসার্ন ওইটা যদি আমি যে স্পিকার সে যদি ওই কনসার্নটা ধরতে পারে তাহলে কি হবে, আপনি আপনার অডিয়েন্সকে অ্যাডাপ্ট করতে পারবেন। এটা আপনাদেরকে লাস্ট দুইটা ক্লাসেও সুন্দর মতো বলছি যে স্যার যে অডিয়েন্সের টেকনিকটা কি ওইটা যদি আপনি অ্যাডাপ্ট করতে পারেন স্পিকারের জন্য কি হয়, ইজি হয়। যেমন আমি এখন আপনাদেরকে অ্যাকাউন্টিং পড়াই দিলে আপনারা ভালো লাগবে না, ঠিক আছে? বিজনেস কমিউনিকেশন ক্লাস আপনাদেরকে যদি আমি বিজনেস কমিউনিকেশন পড়াই আপনাদের কি লাগবে, এটা ভালো লাগবে। We talk about a few techniques with example that improve the audience-centered writing approach. এখন আসেন টেকনিকগুলো নিয়ে আমরা ব্রিফলি আলোচনা করি যেটা নিয়ে আপনাদের সুবিধা হয়। যেমন ইউজিং এ ভিউ পয়েন্ট।